Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make hyperlinks work in Digital Planner in Goodnotes in 2026. Are your planner links not working in Goodnotes? Don't worry, there's a simple reason and an easy fix. So let me show you how to do it exactly. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. You can find it in the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Once you find it, you're gonna click on Install. And once the installation is completed, you're gonna make sure to open the Goodnotes application. Then you're gonna open your planner in Goodnotes. You can click on import to import your planner, or you can create one. As you can see here, I reached the limits of the notebooks. But if you want to use Goodnotes to the full, you must pay for the premium subscription because the free version only allows you to edit 3 notebooks. For example, we're gonna choose this one right here as a planner. Now you're gonna look for the read more mode or view in mode option. You can click on it. It's like the read only mode, and enable it. And this allows to be the link to be clickable. You can select the link, and it will be clickable. And now tap on any tab or link in your planner, and it should take you to the correct page instantly. So always switch to read mode when navigating and disable editing mode to avoid accidental writing, and use high quality planners with built-in links. Now hyperlinks makes navigation fast and smooth. Just enable read mode and your planner becomes much easier. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.